To Washington, D.C., where the nation's highest court is set to hear the biggest abortion case in a generation. Tomorrow, the U.S. Supreme Court will take up a controversial Mississippi law which bans abortions after 15 weeks. It's a decision that could overturn Roe versus Wade. And correspondent Kelly Meyer is live for us outside the Supreme Court. Kelly, explain how tomorrow's ruling could potentially undo nearly 50 years of legal precedent.
Good evening, Nicole. Well, this argument could potentially, as you said, overturn Roe versus Wade, which would transform abortion rights in the U.S. Just today, former Vice President Mike Pence reiterated his longstanding position and called on the Supreme Court to end abortion in the U.S. At issue, Mississippi's only abortion clinic sued over a state law that prohibits abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. Jackson's Women's Health Organization, also known as the Pink House, argued that it was unconstitutional. Under Roe, states cannot ban abortions before 24 weeks. Mississippi is asking the justices to get rid of that standard and allow states to set their own policy. The last time the Supreme Court heard a direct challenge to Roe 30 years ago, the court looked very different. And now court critics are ruling hopeful that this conservative majority, 6-3, will be successful at overturning Roe completely. Here's former Vice President Mike Pence speaking about the case earlier.
The court's misguided decision in Roe versus Wade has inflicted a tragedy not only on our nation, but on humanity.
For abortion rights advocates, they say this case is bigger than the decision to choose. It's about women's rights as a whole. Now, if the justices do side with the state of Mississippi, a total of 12 states already have laws on the books that would automatically outlaw abortions once the Supreme Court rules. Now, that ruling isn't set to come down until late spring, early summer of next year. Nicole?
All right. Kelly Meyer reporting for us outside the Supreme Court. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.